Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in this page from A Million Sweet Things by Lulu Mayo. We've got some earrings to do today, so let's come in and have a little look and see what we've got going on. Now the first set, they look like bobbles, hair bobbles, but they have got these sort of hooks like earrings, so I'm wondering if they're cherries. So I'm going to start actually with some green for these bits. I'm just going to have a little look. What should we use? I think the Castle Green Deep might be quite a nice shade. I'm not sure where it is. There it is. Castle Green Deep. There you go. Now, as with leaves, a lot of the time I will often do them so that they're a little deeper in the base and lighter in the tip, but I think for these I'm going to go around the edge and do them dark around the edge, a bit lighter in the middle. And this one's got two. I don't know why I've decided to do it this way. You can do it however you wish. It doesn't really show up that much anyway because it's quite a small space to colour into. There we go. And then the cherries themselves, we've actually got a cherry colour. Yeah, let's use that. Now, we do have a little problem with our cherry colour in that it does the white, and white doesn't show up. If you put white on the cherry, it goes pink. So I want some white shine on my cherries, so I'm going to leave some white paper. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you put your edge there, then I'm going to put a line inside there like that, and there's my white. Yeah, I want this to be a bit lighter in the middle, darker over here, so I'm just going to layer it up here and then fade it a bit towards the centre. Yeah. And we're going to do the same on this one, so I'll show you again. So dark, we can put our dark line all the way around, and then here leaving a bit of white like that, then less, we want it a bit lighter in the middle. There we go. And the same on this one, a line all the way around, leave a bit there. There we go. It's just a little one on that one because I messed up a bit. It doesn't matter. And then this one, I'll try something which might not work. I'm going to leave my line all the way down there. Let's just colour in this bit first. And then I'm going to cut it off there and there to make it look like there's a few dots. Yeah, I was quite pleased with that. Now we have little ghosty earrings down here. These are quite funny. So we have almost like a male and a female. So we could do them unmatching, or we could do them matching. I quite like matching. What should we do? Let's grab, what have we not used yet? Let's have a look. Let's grab the teal green light and do a couple in this colour. Now these are like little ghosts, aren't they? I think maybe they'd be a little bit dark on the edge. Maybe a little lighter towards the middle, just to give them a bit of shape. because I think they wouldn't be flat. I'm thinking they'd be sort of 3D items like that. And I'm going to do her the same colour. So layering up on the edge. I'm pondering as I'm colouring what colour to do. The ones at the bottom, I want to do them with different colour. Something that's going to match. I think a dirty pink would match. Let's go for this. Lavender light. Do you think it'll match? I'm going to give it a go. Let's sharpen it. You might not like the match. I'm actually okay with it. I think it's a bit of a contrast. I think it's okay. It's doing what I expected. You know, not perfectly matching, but being quite an interesting different colours. And then we have her little bow. I would like to do it in a pink. What colour is that? What have we got? I might use the Opera Rose. That's assuming I can get it out of the tin. Here we go. Opera Rose. Now it's quite small. I'm going to try and do that centre knot a bit darker at the bottom, but I'm not sure that it's going to show. With these bits, I'm going to try and do them a little bit lighter towards the edge, so darker in the middle where they would be sort of crumpled up a bit. Nothing too fancy. There we go. Okay. See, I think that's it, but I'm looking at how much time we've got left, but there isn't really another bit to do, so I think we will actually make it quite a short one today. And yes, because we've got sort of pairs of things after this, so we'll leave it there, nice and short, just a little one for today. And yeah, come back tomorrow for the next one. We're going to be doing pants or underpants or knickers, whatever you call them, tomorrow, which is never coloured them before. It's going to be quite interesting, but there we go. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and all those things. Have a super day and happy colouring.